everyone, welcome to our exhibition.
I'm LeQuang.
I'm Christoph and we're talking about solar energy. Does everyone know what solar energy is? If no, it is energy that people get from the sun and a solar panel is needed. We have our central idea, which is solar energy benefits human society, and 3 lines of inquiry. Design of solar panels, benefits of solar energy, and practical issues. Quang will start talking about the benefits of solar energy.
The benefits of solar energy is a renewable and sustainable source of energy. Renewable means it is near infinite, and sustainable means it's harmless to the environment. 2, you don't need to pay for the energy. You make it yourself using the solar panel. Solar energy is now widely used for 3 main reasons. 1, oil. The government is the problem because oil makes more money than other resources. 2, money. The price of a good 1x1 meter solar panel is 3.8 million VND. Expensive, but the price is slowly decreasing over time. 3, people don't know much about them, and people are nervous to spend money on something they don't know much about and are afraid of the problems it might have in the future.
Moving on to design of solar panels. So it depends. If you buy a good solar panel, it should be more expensive than a not so good one. The difference is that a good solar panel produces more energy than a bad one. So how it works. The sun's rays are called photons, which hit your solar panel. And solar panels are made out of solar cells, and solar cells are made out of silicon atoms. So the sun's rays hit a solar panel, and it can hit an electron out of place. When the electron gets hit out of place, it gets collected by metal rods, which then transported into a power converter, which converts raw energy into usable energy. Then it goes into your electronic devices.
I will be now starting with the practical issue. The practical issue of solar energy, it is still in development, and there's been some reports of it overheating and exploding because of the battery, which you can see the results. And the disadvantages of using solar energy, it does not generate more energy than fossil fuel, and you
get energy at night. So that's why a battery is needed. So that brings us to the equipment of solar panels. So first is a solar panel, then a battery. A battery is needed for you to get electricity at night. So the solar panel charges your battery, and then at night, that's when your solar panel gets you the lights. Okay, 3, a power converter, which converts raw energy into usable energy. 4, a charge controller, which controls your battery. It might be too sunny for your battery, so that would explode like that. Okay, then moving on to our action.
Our action is to install a solar panel for the school. But first, we needed to ask Mr. Rodney, the business manager of our school. He's in charge of the money we get and what we spend it on. And we asked him to see if we can put a solar panel maybe in Villa 1 for a starter, and to trial it and see what difference it makes in the electricity bills of our school.
And then if it goes well, we might buy more and bigger ones to power a whole villa. Okay, this is Philip's gift of light. The story is that in a Vietnamese village, kids didn't have enough light to study. So they can't even get energy because they don't have enough money to buy it. So Philips gave them solar panels for them to make their own money, their own energy. Okay, there are many reasons why you should buy solar panels. It's better for the environment and you don't have to pay for it. Did you know over 5.5 million people die every year because of the pollution? Yeah, pollution. Okay, here we have some solar robots and solar toys.
This is a mini fan powered by solar cells and a wire. First, and as you can see, the more sunlight it gains, the more power it goes. So the closer this light is getting, the faster it's going.
Okay. Then
We have Wally. We nickname it that because it looks like Wally in a roll. And if you switch the wires,
okay. Then here we have a small robot, which we can customize as we want. It controls this, and we can make a lot of things out of it.
it's very
It's
weird.
only a bird and a cage,
And now we shine it.
and now
Now
it
it's
is a
in
bird.
the cage. And then when we stop it, there's nothing.
Okay. That's another way of getting energy. You burn the fossil fuel, which creates energy and pollution. It's not green energy.
And it's very dirty.
This is our amazing mentor, Mr. Jonathan. Thank you, Mr. Jonathan, for helping us all this way. This is silicone, number 14 on the periodic table. That's what solar panels are made out of.
So those are made of solar cells.
Okay. Now, do you have any questions? No?
If no, then feel free to go up here and look at our board and read the information off it. And you can test out the robots if you want. If not, okay. And
Okay, thank you for listening.
I have a question. Which country uses most percentage of the energy is solar energy of the country?
I'll say that. Well, we're not entirely sure, but we think it's China because
China. How many percent is from solar energy?
2.2.5.
Only 2.5?
Yeah.
22.5. That's what.
22.5.
Well,
We don't actually
but,
know.
Sir, but we don't really think that because China is the most polluted country on Earth. So we looked at our citations and we're not sure if that information is true. But then Germany is a number 2, which we think is good because is true because Germany now is creating a fake sun which powers solar panels. The sun it needs 100 watts to power the fake sun, but then the solar panels get 200 watts, so it's an infinite loop of energy.
Question, or maybe an argument. If you think that China's the most polluted country in the world, that if you were to take the amount of pollution and divide by the number of people in China, I think you would get a smaller amount of pollution per person than, say, America,
Yeah.
that has much less people.
Because it's also the second most populated country.
Maybe one more question, please.
Yeah.
If you count all expenses for one unit for using solar energy, how many years it takes to get the investment back, to get the money back and start to earn money?
It depends. If you buy an expensive solar panel, it can take you up to a year, and if you buy a cheap one, it could take you only a few months.
4 months only?
A few months, not. Here is a sheet that you will give us a feedback.
This is a solo now.
Is it already started?
The next station's upstairs.